Sleep tight, criminals hate this. The REOLINK 5MP PoE security camera system has eyes everywhere. Catch every detail, day or night. Tired of grainy footage that's as useful as a blindfold? The REOLINK Smart 5MP security camera system delivers crystal clear HD surveillance so sharp it practically zooms into the future. Unlike weak, pixelated cameras, this 5MP powerhouse records in high resolution with smart person, pet, and vehicle detection, so you only get real alerts, not false alarms from wind-blown trash cans. Whether it's suspicious activity or your dog pulling off a jailbreak, you'll see it all, rain or shine, day or night, up to 100 feet in total darkness. Set it up and forget it. Security shouldn't be a hassle, and with plug-and-play installation, it isn't. This PoE, Power over Ethernet, system means no messy cables or complex setups, just connect and secure. The system's 8-channel NVR with a built-in 2TB HDD records 24/7 without interruptions, storing up to 10 days of footage before overwriting, expandable up to 12 TB. Need to check a past event? Remote playback on the REOLINK app makes it a breeze, so you're never guessing when something went down. It's like having your own time machine, but only for catching intruders. Listen in and stay ahead. Why settle for just watching threats when you can hear them too? With a built-in microphone, this system lets you listen in on potential threats and catch crucial details no silent footage could ever reveal. Suspicious footsteps outside? A hushed conversation near your front door? Get the audio proof in real time. And unlike subscription-based security systems that charge you monthly for basic features, REOLINK delivers premium protection with no extra fees, because safety shouldn't come with a hidden price tag. Built to survive, designed to protect. Cheap cameras fall apart with the first storm, not this one. Rated IP67 waterproof, these cameras stand strong against rain, snow, heat, and cold, -10 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees Celsius. Whether mounted on your porch, driveway, or backyard, they keep watch 24/7 without fail. With 25 frames per second smooth live view, there's zero choppy playback, just flawless, real-time footage that captures every movement with stunning clarity. Forget blurry, useless footage, this system means business. The ultimate home and business guardian. The REOLINK 5MP PoE security system isn't just a camera, it's a 24/7 digital watchdog. Whether you're protecting your family, keeping an eye on deliveries, or securing your business, this system offers flawless reliability, easy installation, and zero subscription fees. Why gamble with safety when you can own the best? Order yours today and watch everything, miss nothing.